What's up, dudes? Today, well, first of all, Happy New Year to you guys. Happy New Year, 2018. Hopefully get my car done by 2018 so I can hit some track days and fucking tear it up. But hopefully, if not, 2030, you know what I'm saying? 2030 coming out hard. Not just playing. Well, alright. Yeah, today I'll give you guys a little update on my S14. Well, I'll just show you guys. Yeah. Well, as you can tell, my car's still in my driveway. Here's the track car that never see the track day. 2020, here we go. Nice plane. It's on 30. But, damn, look at that shit, though. Damn, I can't wait. You see the camera on it? Shit. But, yeah, I did drive it ever since my last video. Damn, that shit. So, on the way to where I was going to park it at, I let that thing have it, and low-key, that thing kind of kind of scared me a little bit, but that's where I'm coming to my next thing. I'm doing a Rollcage on it, so that way, yeah, because I know if I'm on the track, I'm probably gonna just be like, you know what, fuck it, let's go, fucking, push it as hard as I can, and might end up rolling it or something like that. I just, that's just me, I guess. Checking if I have the mic on, because I don't want to redo this shit again. This is the second time I'm doing this, but yeah, I don't want to Rollcage. I don't want to roll my car and fucking have something happen to me and I just finished the car, so I want to be able to enjoy it. So that's what I'm doing now, doing a cage on it. So let me show you guys what the cage looks like, or where I'm at. So alright, well, I got the main hoop done. That's probably one of the hardest things to do. Got a tack welder down there. Still gotta do this other plate right here too, so it's has load transfer from all this whole portion, not just this part and right here. So did that. Got it tuck in pretty hard. Yeah, cause I don't want this shit to be wobbling up in here and shit. And plus, I already got one of the side hoops for the driver. Yeah, got the shit tucked in hard. Here, check it out. And on this one, I still gotta make this one a little bit more that way, so that way it's more, has load transfer and shit like that. But I got the rear one down, and then plus two, I boxed these. I boxed and capped them, or whatever you call it, the shock towers, the shock caps, whatever. Box them in so that way, the suspension stays still and doesn't move at all. I didn't bother going all the way down here because when I guess this bar comes down here, goes down there. Aim it. Oh my god, goes right there. It's not gonna it's not gonna be bouncing up and down because the cage is basically gonna hold it down, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, I got the freaking, look at that. Oh, got it up here, tucking pretty hard. Look at that shit though. So I gotta make the boxes for it right there, so that way I could drop it down for when I fully weld it. Yeah, I still gotta notch it a couple more times on this part right here, so that way it sits flush in two, and then I need to cut it down there too. Hold on, put you guys over there so you guys can check it out. Damn, check it out. Yeah, because if you have big old dimple dies in that shit, that means the cage is not properly fitted to the car, and that's what I want. I want it tucked in super high so that way I don't have a lot of headroom and I'm not hitting my head on the cage. And plus, I want people to be like, oh shit, you have a cage in there? I can't even see it from outside. So that's my goal. That's my goal. Here you go. Here's my cage. Oh shit, it's a little bit dirty. Oh my god, baby, from sitting for like 20 years and shit. Actually, it's been 3 years. Oh, see right here, you can see it. Yeah, you can barely even see it too. And that's one of the things why I wanted to have it super tucking up in here, so that way it doesn't block my view or anything. So yeah. Plus, I still need to scoot it over, like cutting the lower one and then scoot it over so that way it's out of my view. Yeah! So, that's what's pretty much I've been doing.